The homemade slime experiment. One sunny afternoon, Flaming Fox invited his friends, Bunny and Hedgehog, to his home for a fun science experiment. As they gathered in Flaming's kitchen, he announced, "Today, we're going to make homemade slime." Bunny's eyes lit up with excitement. "That sounds so fun, Flaming. What do we need?" Flaming smiled and laid out the materials. "We need glue, baking soda, and contact lens solution. Let me show you how it's done." They gathered around the kitchen counter, ready to start the experiment. Step 1. Mixing glue and baking soda. Flaming poured 1 cup of glue into a bowl. First, we need to mix 1 cup of glue with 1 tablespoon of baking soda. Bunny and Hedgehog watched closely as Flaming measured the baking soda and added it to the glue. He handed Bunny a spoon. Stir it well until the baking soda is completely mixed in. Bunny eagerly took the spoon and started stirring. "This is so cool!" Step 2. Adding contact lens solution. Flaming continued. "Now, we add the contact lens solution a little at a time. Stir until it forms slime." Hedgehog watched as Flaming carefully poured a small amount of contact lens solution into the bowl. Bunny stirred the mixture, and they all watched in amazement as it started to thicken and become slimy. "It's turning into slime!" Bunny exclaimed. Step 3. Forming the slime. Flaming added a bit more contact lens solution, and Bunny continued to stir. Soon, the mixture formed into a stretchy, gooey slime. "Look, it's really slime now," Bunny said, stretching the slime with her hands. Hedgehog reached out to touch it. "Wow, it feels so weird and fun." They spent the rest of the afternoon playing with the slime, stretching it, squishing it, and making all sorts of shapes. Bunny and Hedgehog couldn't stop giggling and marveling at the texture. As the sun began to set, Bunny said, "Thank you, Flaming. This was so much fun. I learned how to make slime." Hedgehog added, "Yes, thank you. I can't wait to try this at home." Flaming smiled warmly. "You're welcome, friends. Science experiments can be so much fun and educational. There's always something new to learn and create." With that, they cleaned up their slime-making mess and settled in for a cozy evening, feeling happy and accomplished.